Fireboy-Xintex is a leader in the innovation of safety products for the recreational and commercial marine, transportation, and industrial markets. We specialize in fire suppression and fire and gas detection, offering a variety of products for a multitude of applications. Since our founding in Grand Rapids, Michigan in 1973, and eventual expansion to Poole, Dorset in the UK in 2006, we've maintained a continual dedication to manufacturing the highest quality products. This unwavering commitment has positioned us as the supplier of choice for the majority of customers in the industries we serve. Our detection and suppression systems are built in-house by highly trained and passionate staff, and are subject to rigorous and continual testing, guaranteeing that our customers receive the most reliable and safe products in the industry. The US and UK facilities encompass our manufacturing, engineering, market research, sales and customer service departments, and our ISO 9001 Certified QMS Companies. The clean agent fire suppression systems we produce meet Factory Mutual, United States Coast Guard, RENA, ABS, EPA, MCA, ISO 9094, and worldwide approvals, and our carbon monoxide and gas detectors are designed and manufactured to satisfy the regulatory standards demanded of this class of products. As the markets we continually serve change, our engineering teams continuously innovate new products to meet these changing demands. Superior quality and performance is built into every product, every time. Selecting a Fireboy-Xintex solution is selecting peace of mind for your business, vessel, or vehicle. This is the pledge that drives the Fireboy-Xintex legacy of life-saving protection products. Visit fireboyxintex.com or call 866-350-9500 to find out how one of our pre-engineered or custom-created solutions can protect your vital business assets. Fireboy-Xintex. On board, on guard.